students, so we are back again. Now, a lot of exams are over. The only few exams are pending, like J Advance and BITSAT and all. So, JOSA will be the body which will does counseling for all the exam, like or basically through JEE mains as well as J Advance. So, JOSA will only start after the results of J Advance are out. So there is still some time for JOSA counseling. So we'll be talking about JOSA counseling a little bit later. But in the meantime, today we are going to discuss about a very, very important thing, and that is the TNEA counseling systems to get admission in the colleges, the top colleges of Tamil Nadu, which are affiliated to Anna universities. So many colleges, many top colleges in like in Tamil Nadu have their own entrance exam. Like Amrita, Amrita is one of the best colleges, best private colleges. They have their own entrance exam, but simultaneously there are many like top colleges like PSG, which for whom admission happens through TNEA counseling. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss about that. So, I'll share it on the screen. So, if we talk about the TNEA counseling, so or basically TNEA, so TNEA is basically the process for admissions to all the Tamil Nadu engineering colleges which are affiliated to Anna universities. So it's a centralized counseling process for BTech and BE admission in Tamil Nadu. Now, the thing is, unlike JEE, which happens through an exam. So in JEE, what happens? First, we write an exam, then we get a result, and then there happens a JOSA counseling. But in TNEA, it's like direct counseling. There is no entrance exam involved. So now the question is then what is the parameter? How they'll allocate the seats? So the admission happens through grade 12 marks. So they look for the grade 12 marks and they will normalize it to 200, like out of 200. For example, you might be asking, okay, physics is 100 marks, chemistry is 100 marks, maths is 100 marks, total 300. Yes, but they will normalize it to 200. So you can just find out the value accordingly. You can just multiply it with 2 by 3. So it will be purely based on grade 12 marks, which is normalized to 200. Now, to appear for TNEA counseling, the two criteria are number one, they should have the Tamil Nadu native or very native certificate, or basically they have done their schooling from Tamil Nadu. And also they require minimum 45% marks in their grade 12 in PCM. So that is why many times the counseling dates always start generally after the board results or around the time board results are about to come out. In fact, by today also we'll be sharing the tentative dates. It's not the exact dates because the exact dates are not yet out. So yes, so they require 45% minimum in PCM. Now the all the data, all the information I'll be putting up over here will be for the general category. So all this information will be for the general category. Definitely for the other categories, the cutoffs and other things will go down a little bit. Now, as for the admission and the counseling process, so the process will be the student have to register online in the official TNEA website, the portal. Now, they have to pay nominal fees to register themselves. After registration, they will be allocated a random number, or basically I can say it's like a roll number. So they'll be allocated a roll number kind of thing. So in which they can match it, just like once you've registered for JEE, you will give an application number. So something similar to that. Then, as I've told, it's purely counseling. There is no admission exam over here. There is no exam. So the student have to get the certificate verified. So they have to undergo the document verification. Like if they have applied for a certain category, like OBC, OBC NCL, like anything. So they have to go through that. So TNEA will have their facilitation center across Tamil Nadu and in Coimbatore as well. Now, once that process is done, they will be they will be releasing a rank list. Now, so basically what is this merit list? So as we have talked about earlier, that the board marks will be normalized out of 200. So based on that, they will give a rank list, the merit list. Because for the counseling, it will be obviously those who have get better rank will give the preference above. So then there'll be a rank list which will be officially announced. Then after that, the student have to do some initial deposit, the counseling fees that they have to pay. So the shortlisted candidate need to pay a certain counseling deposit so that they can participate in choice filling. Now, for those of you who are aware about JOSA counseling, it will be quite similar that you have to fill in your choices and there'll be multiple rounds of counseling. So generally there are 4 rounds of counseling in TNEA, but this year is yet have to come. For those who are unaware about JOSA, we'll be also releasing a video on it. So there'll be generally 4 rounds of counseling that will happen over here. So let us say in round 1, if a student get a certain seat, if they're happy with their allocation, they can just opt for it. If they're not happy with it, then it goes in the second round. So whatever they have got in the first round, they'll definitely get that, but they have an option to get their other choices which they have put up earlier when they have filled their choices. So it will go in multiple rounds. Then once the seat is allocated, let's say if a student like their seat, they can opt for that certain seat. So once the seat are allocated, it will be purely done on merit based. Then after that will be the final allotment and reporting. So either you can, in fact, you can get your seat. You can agree to get your seat in the first round itself. You need not to wait for all 4. But yes, you can always opt for all 4 to see whether you can get a better course or not. So once the final allotment is done, then allotment list will be published and you can enroll for that certain course. So you can report at the college and uh, get the entire admission process done. So these are the tentative dates that you can see on the screen. So as I've again told that these are tentative dates. Like in fact, when we checked, it was not exactly, the portal have not yet started taking the applications. So the application date is tentatively supposed to get start from 6th of May, that the upcoming week, and around 6th of June will be the last day to apply. So yes, the date might not be exactly same. As I've told you, it's a tentative date. We have got this data based on an average, how things have happened in past 3 years. So on an average, past 3 years, we have seen that okay, it will be around this time it will start. The application will start around this time. It will get over. So based on that, we have come up with these dates. So they are all tentative. Again and again I'm telling with high emphasis, it's the tentative dates. They are not exact dates. Exact date have not yet come. When we are making this video, these dates we have made based on the past 3-year average data. So please check it up on the website, check it up on the portal. Just you can simply type TNEA counseling, and with that you'll get all, like Google will show all the results. So click and check for it. So these are tentative dates for the counseling sessions, for the document upload verification and all. So again, TNE is a counseling process. It's not an examination. Now, because many of our students have been asking about details of good Coimbatore colleges. So here are the details. Again, please note that this list is not based on a certain rank. It's not like those college I'm mentioning above is bigger rank or higher rank. No, it's just we have picked up few top colleges. It doesn't mean that they are all the top colleges of Coimbatore. There are much more colleges as well, but these are one we have found out based on our student recommendation. So we have just noted it down. So there is PSD College, there is Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Tech, CIT Coimbatore, Kumruguru College. So these are some of the colleges we have put up over here. Apart from this also we have got good colleges, like one is NGP and many more colleges are there. So we have got this data based on our old students. We have talked to few of our students. So this is not a official data. Again, this is the data we have got from our old students. So for official data, again, please be in touch with the college and get it from them. Again, I'm telling you, it's not an official data. This is the information we have got from our students who have been in this college, from our many known people. We have done survey of our students. So based on the survey, we have got this. So these are the few good colleges, not in any ranking order. In Coimbatore, that is PhD, Kumruguru, CIT, Ramakrishna College. So, and you can see the packages as well. So there are averages packages, highest packages. So generally, we've seen highest packages going for top tech companies because computer science tech companies are more in rise these days. It's a very, very like upcoming field. Technology is changing, advancing very rapidly. So most of the highest packages that you see are not for, it's not like for all the branches, but we have noticed that it majorly happens for computer science, as computer science is an emerging field. So definitely there's a big difference between computer science and other streams. But yeah, so most of the highest packages information that we got from the students are for computer science. And on the, we can also see the average packages listed over here. So once again, I'm putting the emphasis that these are not official data. This is something we have got through surveys of the student. Those who are studying in the colleges right now or have already graduated. So these are the information. So we have just put this on the screen. It will be helpful for the student to understand what are the colleges they can apply for. But yes, this is not a all complete list because there are many good colleges, as I've told you, NGP and all. So we cannot accommodate all of them in the smaller screen. So this is only for the information of parents and students. Now, to summarize everything, so these are the important informations about TNEA, that the purpose, the admission basis, eligibility, nativity. So you can see all it on the screen. The multiple steps, how to do that. You can also see application fee for registration and all. So this is the process for TNEA counseling. I hope by the time you see this video or maybe few days after that, the portal might be live. It was not live when we were making the video. So throughout this journey, if any student need any help, feel free to contact us. We'll help you out to our best capability. We want every student to do really, really well. Now, apart from this, I would also recommend the students to go through our other videos. We'll be coming up with our JOSA counseling videos soon. So all those who have written uh, JEE, go through that. Soon we'll be also coming out for the NEET counseling, and we'll be also talking about other options that a student have, like what are the online courses they can apply for and what are the things. So we wish all the best to our students. Please ensure that you are doing things very wisely, knowledgeably. This is a time when student and parents both need to be most active, actively participate, actively look for what are the best for the kids, best for the students, because what they choose right now will have a big impact in their entire future career. So we at Prep Ally will be here to support it each and every step. So that's all from this video, and thank you and all the best to every student.